I heard Christmas is about the birth of Jesus. In the movies, it's about having beautiful Christmas tree, big presents, toys, grand food, and most importantly, be at church to celebrate His birth. Do you know some could not do that? The parents who lost their jobs, some family in desperate financial needs. And for some, quarantine is necessary, faced with loneliness and depression. But yet some, totally unaffected with the current situation. So either way, we face it differently. We are in the same storm, but not of the same boat. So let us remind ourselves during this festive season the true meaning of Christmas: to love, to give, and to share. Open our eyes and look around you. There will be someone we can show love, someone to give, and something to share. So friends, may you be touched by these words, for if you are, someone out there needs you. Realize this and be kind.